What's going on, guys? It's Greg, and today is going to be another Teespring video. In this Teespring video, I'm going to talk about one really important tip that you need to know if you're going to get into online business or if you're getting into Teespring specifically. So typically when people start on Teespring, they just focus on Teespring. That's like the one place where they're putting in their time and effort. And yes, that is extremely important. You can't get shiny object syndrome and go to different things. However, you also need to think about diversification. So Teespring is not the only print-on-demand website. Although Teespring is one of the biggest print-on-demand websites, it's not the only one. There's also Merch by Amazon, there's Redbubble, there's Teechip. Now all of these are non-exclusive. So what that means for you is actually a huge advantage. You can upload your design to Teespring, but then you can also upload that exact same design to Redbubble, Teechip, and Merch by Amazon. Now you have 4 times the exposure. So a couple of reasons that this is actually very beneficial for you. One of them is right off the bat, you're gonna get 4 times the exposure. So if you have 4 campaigns out there as opposed to 1, you have 4 times the chances of getting a sale on it. But the main reason is diversification. So if one of these sites were to be shut down, if Amazon decided to pull the plug on Merch by Amazon, and you had all of your campaigns on Merch by Amazon, your income stream would be immediately cut off. Now, if you put your campaigns on 4 different websites, you're diversified. So if one of them shuts down, you still have the other 3 and it's got all the campaigns on it. So there's this saying that applies to this, and it's the bigger the river, the bigger the drought. So make sure that you don't have everything in one river, because if that river gets cut off, you're gonna have a huge drought. Instead, make multiple rivers. Now, if you wanna take this a step further, you can apply this to other online business. So that was just print on demand. You can diversify into the 4 different websites. As you start to talk about all the different ways to make money online, you can really diversify. There's 7 different sites that I use, and they each break down into different websites. So at the end of the day, there's 10 to 15 different income streams or different rivers. So if one of them gets cut off, it's like nothing because you still have all the other 14 or whatever it is. So as you guys know, I put so much more detail into full courses. I can't put it all into a YouTube video. It doesn't make sense. So I'm going to link a couple courses below, Teespring stuff, and then also the 7 different ways that I make money online. So you can see how they all break down and what those main categories are. If you want to check those out, check them out, feel free. Otherwise, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. Subscribe to the channel if you want some more stuff like this. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.